Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build forms using JotForm. In order for you to begin, all you need to do is head over to the JotForm website and create an account. Once you've created an account, all you need to do is click on Create Form. From here, you can choose to start from scratch, use a template, you can import a form that you already have, or you can create a signable document. For this example, I'm just going to use a template just because it is the easiest out of the other options. So I'm going to click on Use Template. From here, you can see you have lots of different types of templates for lots of different types of forms. In this case, I'm just going to choose, for example, a new customer registration form. I'm going to click Use Template. From here, you can see how the template looks. You can change anything that you would like. I can change, for example, different fonts. I can change what it says, etc. If you would like to add a new page, you can add a new page here and then carry on from there. And then when you are done, you can click on Settings. You can make sure that the title is correct. You can see if if the form is enabled or disabled. You can encrypt the data as well if it's an important document. You have a lot of different things here on the side that you can add. Then from there, once you are happy, you can click on Publish. And you also have a lot of different options to choose from. You can, for example, quick share using just a link, where if I copy the link and paste it, you'll see here I now have the form and I can type whatever I'd like inside. And then once it's all filled out, I'll have a little submit button here at the bottom. You can also invite by email if you know the email of the person you'd like to send it to. You can share your form through different social medias. Then you can also choose to, for example, embed it. This can be in, for example, a presentation that you may have or a document that you may send. You can assign the form to someone and all the other examples here on the side. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.